Verb to be is, am, are. Verb to be. For singular subjects, he, she, it, we use is. For I, which is special, we use am. For plural subjects, we, you, they, we use are. Practice time. The answer is B. I am hungry. The answer is A. He is a farmer. The answer is C. They are twins. The answer is A. A cat is sleeping. The answer is C. We are from Australia. The answer is A. She is 6 years old. The answer is A. My sister is tall. The answer is A. It is windy today. The answer is C. You are great. The answer is C. Your dogs are here. The answer is A. Grandma is fine. The answer is A. Peter is smart. The answer is C. You and I are late. The answer is A. Tea is hot. The answer is C. Their cars are clean. The answer is A. Your bird is cute. The answer is A. It is a good toy. The answer is C. My parents are kind. The answer is C. Joe and Lee are old. The answer is A. He is a doctor. The answer is C. We are at home. The answer is B. I am a good student. The answer is A. His hat is blue. The answer is C. Mum and I are away. The answer is A. Her doll is new. The answer is C. You are strong. The answer is A. Tom is sick. The answer is A. She is my sister. The answer is A. Ice cream is cold. The answer is C. They are brothers.